Today let's learn how to fix Snapchat My AI, something went wrong. If you get this error message while using your Snapchat AI or My AI of Snapchat, let me show you a couple of things that you can do in order to solve this issue. If this is something that you want to learn today, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you can do is switch your connection or turn off your connection, which is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and turn it back on again. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to a cellular data, or if you're using cellular data, switch to a Wi-Fi. If you cannot do that, just turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and turn it back on again. This is a great way of fixing any connectivity issues. Now the second thing that you can do is back out of your Snapchat app and also remove the Snapchat app from the recent apps. So you can clear this off and open up your Snapchat again and try to see if this fixes the issue. The third solution is you can clear the data and cache off your Snapchat. If you're using an Android phone, you can just tap and hold the app and tap on this eye icon or this app info. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to offload your app from your iPhone storage. So through this section, you can just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. This is gonna log you out of your Snapchat app and will also clear out the caches, which are the temporary files which have been downloaded. Even if you do all of these steps and you're still having that error message, the last thing that I suggest you to do is update your Snapchat app and wait out a couple of hours, and that error message should be gone by itself. Many times when there is a lot of traffic or there is some maintenance going on, you will have these kind of issues. So update your app and wait out a couple of hours and your problem of something went wrong on Snapchat My AI should be fixed. If this video helped you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more Snapchat videos related to My AI, then make sure you turn on the notifications of our channel. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.